Hi there, Natasha here, realtor in beautiful Charleston, South Carolina. I'm coming to you today from a brand new neighborhood on Johns Island. You can hear the construction behind me. Let's check out Grace Landing together. It is a Pulte neighborhood. I think you're really gonna love this one. I love the location of this community because it still feels kind of tucked away on Johns Island while being close to important points of interest, restaurants, shops, and a local grocery store. There will be 76 home sites, so it's a little bit smaller and cozier, but they will have an amenity center with a pool and a play park and some fun things for the neighbors to do. You can get a 2-bedroom in this neighborhood, which I love, but you can also go from, let's say, 1,800 square feet all the way up to 3,300 square feet. So there really is something for everyone. Homes are gonna range from the 500s to the 700s, depending on what kind of selections you choose. So there really is a good variety if you're thinking about new construction. And you do have a decent proximity to major employers if you're trying to go downtown, for example. So I really do love this community for many reasons, and Pulte always builds a beautiful product. Their selections are great, their floor plans are super thoughtful, and I know they're gonna sell this community quickly. So you still have the pick of the litter when it comes to home site. Don't wait on this one. If you have more questions about Grace Landing, definitely get in touch.